Namaste students, welcome all of you. I am Leela Jadhav from KTHM College Nasik. I am going to discuss with you about fourth chapter, that is activity based costing in CY BCom level. Therefore, in this video I will discuss with you meaning of cost driver, examples, types of cost driver and selection of suitable cost driver. This topic contains cost drivers, examples of cost drivers, types of cost drivers and selection of suitable cost drivers. Cost drivers are the forces that causes the activity. There are certain important factors that influence the cost of a particular activity and certain bases that drives the consumption of the activity. Thus, activity-based costing overhead costs are grouped together according to what causes them to be incurred, and finally, these cost drivers are used a suitable basis for absorption. Examples of certain activities and their cost drivers identified. First, important activities, material planning. Cost drivers are volume of material received, number of material transactions. And manufacturing activities, cost drivers are flow of product, volume of service parts. And third, financial activities, cost drivers are number of accounting transactions, volume of activity. And then activities are personnel, and cost drivers are industrial training requirements and recruitment activities. And activities are maintenance, and the cost drivers are number of machine breakdowns, maintenance schedule, etc. And then management accounting activities, and cost drivers are requirements of management and corporate requirements. Thus, under activity-based costing, overhead costs are grouped together according to what causes them to be incurred, and finally, these cost drivers are used as a suitable basis for apportion. After learning important activities and their cost driver identification, we learn types of drivers. Cost drivers is a factor that influence the cost of an activity. Cost drivers are two types. First one, resource cost driver. It is measure of the quantity of resource consumed by an activity. For example, number of purchase orders placed which will influence the cost of purchasing of material. Similarly, the number of times the machines are set up will influence the cost of setting up of machines. Resource cost driver is used to assign the cost of a resource to an activity cost pool. And the second, activity cost driver. It is a measure of the frequency and intensity of demand placed on the activity by cost objectives. It is used to assign activity cost to cost object consuming the activity. This is the types of cost driver. After learning types of cost driver, we need to learn selection of a suitable driver. Are Hansen and Marinen pointed out that at least two major factors should be considered in selecting cost driver. First one, cost of measurement, and second, degree of correlation between the cost driver and the actual consumption of ORAD. The important factors that should be considered in selecting cost driver are as follows. First one, cost of measurement. In activity-based costing, a large number of cost drivers can be selected and used. Accordingly, where possible, it is important to select cost driver that the information that is readily available, information that is not available in the existing system must be produced, and this production will increase the cost of the firm's information system. A homogeneous cost pool will offer a number of possible cost drivers. For this situation, any cost driver that can be used with existing information should be chosen. The choice minimizes the cost of measurement. And the second criteria is indirect measures and the degree of correlation. Indirect measures and the degree of correlation. This existing information structure can be exploited in another way to minimize the cost of the obtaining cost driver quantity. It is sometimes possible to replace a cost driver that directly measures the consumption of an activity with a cost driver that indirectly measures that consumption. For example, inspection hours could be replaced by the actual number of inspections associated with each project. This number is more likely to be known. This replacement works, of course, only if hours used per inspection are approximately equal for each product. And then the third factor is multitude of cost drivers. In traditional product costing, the number of cost drivers used are few, such as direct labor, machine hours, direct labor cost, unit produced. But activity-based costing may use a multitude of cost drivers that relate cost more closely to the resource consumed and activities occurring. And then the fourth factor is pool rate. After cost pool is defined and cost drivers are identified, the cost per unit of the cost driver is computed for that pool, which is called the pool rate. The pool rate links cost driver with the resources used. This pool rate can be based on either planned or actual activity level. And then last is charging of ORAD. The cost of each ORAD pool are traced to products who are the users of the resources. Thus, at the final stage, the cost pool, cost driver, and the pool rate combine to determine how much cost should be assigned to each product. The pool rate measure is simply the quantity of cost driver used by each. Accounting treatment in activity-based costing. According to ORAD's cost in activity-based costing involves the application of following steps. First one, identify significant activities. An activity is considered to be significant when the total cost involved in the activity is significant enough to justify to give an activity a separate treatment. And the second, calculate the cost of each activity. For example, total cost of ordering, total cost of receiving deliveries, total cost of production setup, total cost of self-stocking, etc. are to be calculated separately. And then third step, find out appropriate activity-based drivers. For example, number of deliveries, number of production setups, number of orders, number of items sold, etc. And then the fourth, calculate the activity cost driver rate. Activity cost driver rate is equal to total cost of an activity upon cost driver. Here, if the total cost of ordering is 8,000, number of orders are 80 and cost per purchase order is 8,000 upon order 80 and rupees 100 per purchase order is the activity driver rate. And then the last step 5, charge activity cost to end product, job and process. Activity cost charged to end product equal to activity consumed into activity cost driver rate. For example, number of purchase order for product X and product Y are 10. After learning activity based costing, I hope do you understand this concept, and with this I would like to say thank you very much. In next lecture we will learn about practical problem on ABC costing.